Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a back to school thrift flip. We have 4 different suit sets that we're going to make into the perfect back to school outfit. These are all Clueless-esque looks, matching jackets and skirts, perfect for back to school. Just throw on your knee-high socks and you're ready to roll. Our first set is this pink option. It's almost like a linen-like material and it has these amazing gold buttons. To make it more modern, we're just going to be cropping the jacket, hemming the skirt, and making a little matching top to go with. Next, we have this lovely white option. It also has amazing, unique buttons and a textured white material. This, we will be cropping the jacket and the skirt as well, making a top. For our next look, we have a white plaid with pink and blue stripes, white buttons with gold trim. We're going to be cropping this jacket, cropping the skirt, and making a Chanel 90s-esque bra top to match with it. Finally, we have this adorable brown gingham-like set. It has a little bow that ties in the back. So we're going to be cropping the jacket, cropping the skirt. So let's get started. First, try on all the pieces and crop them to where we think is appropriate. Let's go. Starting with the pink set, we are going to crop the pieces using our scissors. Next, for the skirt, we are going to crop the interior lining 1 inch shorter. Next, you are going to fold over a hemline. Using the iron this down flat and repeat for all pieces. Next, sew these hemlines down. Now for the top, using the bottom half of the jacket, sew the front part together and fold down and iron a hem. Next, sew this edge down. To make this a tube top, we are going to use elastic across the inner back. Put in elastic, use a zigzag stitch and stretch the elastic as you go. Your tube top is complete. Your outfit is done and you're ready for school. Now for the white set, crop jacket and skirt. Sew the lining to the exterior fabric for both pieces. Iron down a hemline on the skirt and jacket. Then sew this down. Now for the top, using the bottom half of the jacket, pin the front pieces together, then sew this down.
First impression.
On the bottom, iron down a finished edge, then sew down. The closure in the back, finish both of the edges, then we are going to add buttons and buttonholes. To make a buttonhole, use your button foot. Go over it twice so it's extra secure. The look's done. Now for the brown gingham set, crop the jacket and skirt. Sew the lining down for the skirt and jacket. Fold down a hemline for the skirt and jacket, iron and sew this close. Now for the top, using a rectangle scrap, fold into a triangle. Then you're going to iron this down. Next, you are going to sew down the edge. We are going to use elastic across the bottom to make a cup shape. Now sew the triangles together in the middle. Make a ribbon to tie a bow in the middle. Now make 4 straps for the sides and top. Then sew them to the top. The look is complete. Now for the white plaid set, crop jacket and skirt. Now sew the lining of skirt and jacket down. Iron down the edge and sew in the hemline. Now for the top, using a bra as the base, drape the fabric over top. Sew down the sides and pinch the fabric together at bottom. Sew this down. In a rectangular shape of fabric underneath the cups. Put a semicircle around each cup. Fold under and sew down. Next, sew straps on and a rectangular piece of fabric to cover the back. Now accessorize and your look is complete. I hope you enjoyed all of the tutorials today. Please comment down below what your favorite is, and please subscribe to my channel. All of these looks will be on my Depop Stitch Witch. Bye!